know these brothers my guys. Know that we fly, know that they ride or die. What they wanna move.
So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna cover one topic on how was my internship or training experience at working at the big four firms Deloitte. So today, like in this month, it's been around 8 months working in Deloitte. So now I'll be covering only about my experience, which was since the start to the end of the training period. So first of all, when you will get your date of joining, in on the same day you will be having an induction session where you will be shown like an start or an introduction about how everything works in Deloitte, what are the different policies over here, how you can contact the role hierarchy people here in Deloitte, and what other things you should keep in mind, what all training courses, or we can say the different mandatory courses you need to cover, and what are the different things which you have to set up while you will be start working over here. So this is the very first thing which you will be going through. So first week will be all based on this, and right after that, when you will be getting a good kick start of everything over here, then your main thing will start, which is your training how in Salesforce. You will be getting a very good hands-on on Salesforce. You will be getting a platform named as Trailhead, where you will be getting various modules related to Salesforce, and you will be getting a whole you will be like a whole bootcamp session will be happening, where you would be having many of your colleagues together, as well as there will be your coach, and there will be other instructors as well who are working in Deloitte, and they will be providing you the whole insights of various topics, both technical and the out of the box functions of Salesforce, which will help you to have a very good hands-on and prepare yourself well if you are making your career in Salesforce. So firstly, you will be having around 3 weeks of trainings on various topics, such as in the development part you will be taught well with the Apex or LWC, and you would be also getting good hands-on practice on data security, process builders, workflows, and different things which you can get out of the box when you're working with the Salesforce. Both the admin as well as the development skills, both will be polished while you will be working as a trainee or as an intern in Deloitte. So basically what happens is like there are few people who get hired as an intern, so they will be having a period of I think 4 to 5 months, and after that they are converted to a full-time role. So here if you are having a training, so for example it's of 3 weeks, so 1 week will be solemnly based on the project which you have got over there. So this project will be like an evaluating point where the manager and the other coaches, the instructors will evaluate you on the basis of your scores which you have got during the training period. For example, if someone has has been very interactive in all of the sessions, in all of the daily sessions, as well as he or she has done the different modules on the trailheads, as well as the different types of the basic exams which you need to clear at the end of each modules. If you are all done with that, then in the end you will be getting a project which will be all based on the skills which you have learned during this tenure, and that project will be an evaluating factor, and there will be different buddies assigned to you. So those buddy they will basically they will be the your project evaluators. Basically they will be the ones who will be evaluating how well you have done, how well you have built your project, and how well you can explain it to them. So there will be different quizzes as well during this period of your training. There will be a very fun sessions as well which will be happening in the evening time, which you when you will be interacting with your managers and your senior consultants and all. So as I have already told, the work culture in Deloitte is great. You will be having a great sense of freedom to connect with your to connect with your peers or connect with your senior hierarchy people. So that's a very good point which will help you to grow your network over here and build your skills as well. So once when you are done with your project part, you will be evaluated on that. You will be getting different scores, and apart from that, if you are among the top 3 people of your boot camps scoring the like the most points, so you would be getting goodies as well for it. So this is a very good thing which will help you to get ahead of your peers over here. And once it is done, your training is done, then on the basis of your end period of that particular month, I think there will be a session, there will be a town hall session where you will be interacting with other your partners, your directors, and everyone working over here. And after that, if there will be any vacancies in the project, then you will be getting call for it, and then you would be asked, or you would be basically, there will be a telephonic interview or a one-on-one session on Teams will be taken into practice, and then they will evaluate whether you are the right person for a particular project or not. So this is how the journey continues of you getting into a project. Even there are various interns who after the training get into a project and they work as an intern over there until they are converted to a full-time employee. So if I'm talking about my journey, I started as a full-time analyst in the Salesforce domain. So basically my 3 weeks of training and 1 week of project was the thing which went like that. So basically what happens, this boot camp is a great way where you would be taught the relevant things which will help you to get into the different careers of Salesforce. Salesforce is not only situated in one place, it's having a lot broader aspects as well. There are various different subdomains of Salesforce as well, and it will help you to understand which is the right one for you. Like this training will evaluate you on different bases. You will be seeing what is best for you, and whether you would be working ahead as a QA or as a developer or as a business analyst. So if you are you want to start your career as a BA role in Salesforce, then you would be you should have very good communication skills with your clients. Apart from that, you should have very good technical knowledge as well, because those technical specifications are required when you converse it with your managers and other clients. So apart from that, if you are want to be a developer over here, then you have to be very well versed with all the skills of programming, like the different types of development skills like Apex, Aura, LWC. These all will surely help you to get into projects, and once you are in a particular development project, it will surely help you to increase your skills well, so that you could switch your projects and basically excel in this domain. Apart from that, there is a QA role. So under the QA role, you would be given different scenarios on a particular. You will be having the wholesome knowledge of the whole flow which is going into place. You would be given the walkthrough of the particular CR which is about to come, or the particular project. Particular project, a small part of the project which comes along the way when you are into a project, and then you have to test the different scenarios out of it. You have to report the different bugs to the developers, what are there which is causing an hindrance, and this is how it continues to be a QA. Also, it gives us a lot of boost when you basically give demo to your clients. So it helps to increase your network over here. It helps to increase your communication with your project clients, so that they understand well that how a particular a particular utility is built and how it is being properly tested, because once if it is not properly tested, it should not go ahead. So this is all the different domains of the different roles which you could get as a Salesforce full-time employee over here in Deloitte. So this is the whole this was my whole journey which happened, and after my 1 month of journey, I am working in my first project, which is of a very good fintech company, Pine Apps. So this I got started with this project from December end, and currently I am being into it. So I hope this video will help you to understand how this journey continues over here in Deloitte, and it must be exciting for a lot of people who are starting their career over here. Thank you so much. I will surely meet you in the next videos. Keep supporting me, and if you liked my content, please drop a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.